6 and welcome to Wednesday's maths video. So we're moving on a little bit today. We've done perimeter now and we're moving on to area. So as we spoke about at the beginning of the week then, perimeter is the outside of a shape and area is the middle. So to work out this part of the shape then, all we have to do is multiply this one by this one, okay? So you'll see on your mild sheet then that for all of those shapes you can use your times tables. Okay, so all you need to do is for this one for example, I would do 7 times 3. So my area for that shape would be 21 centimetres squared. Okay, we've got to remember squared. And then for this one, it would be 12 times 4, and that would give you your area. Okay, for the medium then, we're doing the exact same thing. We're still multiplying the two numbers together, but you've got to use some short multiplication for yours. So we're recapping a little bit on what we were doing in multiplication last week. So for this one then, you'd have to do 15 times 3, and I'll set it out exactly like we would usually. Okay, so we'll do 5 times 3, which is 15, and carry the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, and add the 1 is 4. So my area for this shape then would be 45 centimetres squared. Yeah? And then, oh, I flicked it with my hair. And then this one would do 22 times 2, which you might be able to do in your head, but if not, you can set it out like that and work it out. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4. So our answer for that one would be 44 centimetres squared. Okay? Then on the hot sheet then, again, you're doing the exact same thing, but your multiplication is a little bit trickier and you've got some long multiplication. So for this one then, I'll have to do 23 times 17. So we'll set it out exactly like we usually would, and you will find that behind your sheets you will have some working out paper. So you've got some squares in there to help you. So for this one then, I need to multiply both of these numbers by the 7 first, don't I? So I need to do 3 times 7, which is 21. 2 times 7, which is 14, add my 2, which is 16, and then I'm going to rub that out because it's in my way a little bit, and then I need to remember my placeholder, don't I? 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, and then just to finish it off, I need to add those two together. So 1 add nothing is 1, 6 add 3 is 9, and 1 add 2 is 3. So the area of this shape would be 391 centimetres squared. Okay? Just take your time. Make sure you are really, really careful with your working out, because if you just make one simple mistake, then it will make sure your answer is wrong. So just take your time. It's completely up to you which sheet you want to do. You might have a go at the mild and think, oh, that one was quite easy, so I might want to challenge myself on the next one. It's completely up to you.